What you doing?
Cooking.
What you cooking?
Some greens and
Cabbage, cornbread.
yeah.
I just recorded you saying all that.
Huh?
I just recorded you talking.
What?
For my video.
For what?
For my YouTube video.
Black-eyed peas, cornbread, and greens. Collard greens.
Wait, did you really make black-eyed peas too?
Yep. Black-eyed peas, cornbread, collard greens.
You're so southern. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the October Boxycharm box. I don't know what's in it yet, so I'm really excited to see what's inside there because it seems like every Boxycharm box that I've received so far is filled with just the nicest stuff. So I actually follow Boxycharm and all that on Instagram, so I've seen a few things that are possibly in this box, but I was trying to avoid looking at their profile at all because I wanted to be surprised about what's in there. I like to be surprised sometimes, okay? So anyway, before I get started with this video, there's a few things I want to say. So the first thing I want to say is I got a package from Boxycharm a few days ago, which wasn't the subscription box. It was just a totally different package. So I'm going to put in the clip now of what that was that I got. So I just got this random piece of mail. Boxycharm. I have not received anything like this before from Boxycharm. I've only gotten boxes, so let's see what this is. Hi love, this month's Boxycharm is delighted to be partnering with Dr. Brandt on their Say I Love You campaign. The Dr. Brandt Foundation is dedicated to raising awareness and advocating for individuals struggling with mental health in the community. Dr. Brandt must know me very well. Okay, anyways, in this package, you will find the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Age-Defying Exfoliator. It gently polishes the skin and refines its surface texture, smoothing away all fine lines. Ooh, that would be nice. Please help us raise awareness and share the love out loud in the light of Suicide Prevention Awareness Month this September. Oh, this is October. Anyways. Post a heart on your Instagram for your story, tag Dr. Brandt and those you love. Use the hashtag saying I love you. Thanks for spreading suicide prevention awareness. Okay, this is awesome. So here is the product. Hey, I can see me in the bottle. Hi. It says Say I Love You, Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Age-Defying Exfoliator Limited Edition. Okay, so it's a twisty lid. It's sealed. Alright, this is cool. Okay, I can appreciate this. Wish I would have got it in September, but I'm going to post it on my social media anyway. Yeah, to spread suicide prevention awareness. That's awesome. So yeah, I got that in from Boxycharm the other day randomly, which I thought was really cool and awesome. Another thing I want to say, my last video I just posted was about bleaching my hair, and a lot of you were saying it didn't look that bad, and I don't think it looked that bad on camera after I watched the video, after I edited it. One big word. But when my husband came home, I'm like, babe, you've got to tell me the truth about my hair. I was like, don't tell me it looks okay, just be honest so I can fix it. And he's like, it looks cute, but it is kind of orange on the sides. And I was like, oh, he's right. So today I decided to try to fix it. So I did some stuff and I think it turned out a lot better. I don't know about you, which you guys thought the other hair looked okay too. So I don't know if you can even tell a difference, but it's a lot different and it's a lot better. Thank God. It's not the greatest, but it's just a huge improvement. So I'm cool with that. Anyway, let's get into the Boxycharm unboxing and see what we got this month. Alrighty, we've got the paper that I'm not going to look at because I don't want to know what's inside till I look in here. Oh. Okay. What is up? Do you guys see what I see? I see It Cosmetics. I see Kat Von D. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm really excited about this one. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and pull the jar out first. I don't know what this is, but I just wanted to. Okay, so this is it's pharmacy brand, and it says Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm, made exclusively for Boxycharm. So this is like a makeup remover in the form of a balm. It is green. I've never tried this before. Okay, but I'll try it eventually. But let's see. A nourishing facial cleansing balm that melts away makeup, even the boldest eye makeup. And long wear foundation is easily removed, leaving skin hydrated and silky smooth. Okay, that's cool. Can't wait to try that. Next thing I'm going to pull out is this package here. What is this? Dermovia Lace Appeal with compression technology, black bamboo charcoal peel off mask, intense exfoliating facial mask with compression lace support. What on earth? Peel intensity level medium, 2 face masks plus 20 ml tube. Okay, this is awesome. Lace Appeal Bamboo Charcoal uses a naturally blended peel paste formulated with bamboo charcoal, aloe vera, and chamomile in conjunction with a compression lace mask to support the peel process and instantly turn dull complexion into radiant skin. Well, this is gonna be fun. Wow, these 2 things alone is like pretty good stuff, but let's see what else we got. Oh, let's just jump right into the It Cosmetics. So this is the Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. I've never tried one of their mascaras. I love It Cosmetics though, but I've never tried one of their mascaras. Lash Changing Power Brush wraps every lash from base to tip for super volume, super length, super elastic stretch. Ooh, I love me some new mascara. Oh, and it's in the shade Super Black. All right, let's check this out. This is what the tube looks like. Let's check out the brush. Okay. Yep, looks like something I'm going to like. The reason I just smelled it is because when I opened it, I kind of like caught a whiff of something. So I was like, is that mascara smelling? Okay, this is awesome. This alone, like, girl. So we have 2 more things in here. Let's go ahead and check out the Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. I actually seen this on the Boxycharm Instagram that they were doing a Kat Von D lipstick. And I was like, I hope I don't get one of those dark colors. So when I open this, y'all, I like to wear nudes, okay? And like light pinks. Is this gonna be dark? Okay, it's not that dark. Kinda dark. Not really my shade. Okay, this is in the shade called Mother. Okay. So this is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. I don't know about this color though. I'm gonna swatch it on my hand. It's kind of brighty. And darky and mauvey. Why couldn't I get the nude? I wanted a nude. But okay, I am getting these Boxycharms boxes complimentary, so I guess I can't be picky. I'm just gonna shut up. All right, let's see what we got here. The last item in the box. Oh, Pure Brand. Hey girl, hey, this is called Midnight Masquerade. It's an eyeshadow palette. Wait, is that blush too? Okay, hold up. I gotta put these stickers on here. Hold up. Come on now. Don't do me like that, stickers. So this says, unveil your true beauty with this 10-piece face palette that is arranged with highly pigmented and buildable shades that blend effortlessly into the face and eyelid for a look that you'll totally adore. It's called a face palette, actually. Ooh, and this is what it looks like. Let me cover the mirror. Look at this. We've got 4 big things over here and then 6 over here. These look like eyeshadows. So make a bold statement with these 4 shimmery face powders and 6 buttery eyeshadows. Okay. Look at these. Is that blush? I love blush. For a flush of color, dust the blush into the apples of the cheek. Apply the highlighters on the high points of the face. I want to look at these. More stickers. Okay. All right. Now, ladies. Yes. Do you know what's cooler than being cold? Ice cold. Okay. So here are the eyeshadow shades. Wow, these are gorgeous. This first one is called Expose. It's like silver. It's beautiful. So all these shades and the eyeshadows are all shimmers except one matte, which is called Snake Peak. I'm gonna try this so bad. Hi, let's watch these other colors. This is really dark. Is that a blush? That is a dark blush, girl. All right, let me try this peachy peach. Oh, that's gold. Oh, I don't know about that. Is that a highlighter? I don't know about that. Okay, let's try the highlighter. Okay, well, you can't see that highlighter on my pasty skin, so let's pull out a little highlighter brush here and try out this Twilight highlight shade. I already have highlighter on this, so you're not even gonna be able to tell, but let's pretend. Well, actually, it is showing up, so. Okay, yeah, this palette's awesome. Girl, I got some good stuff up in this Boxycharm box. Okay, little birds, we hear you. We know you're there. So this box is super impressive. I'm like literally impressed every time I get a Boxycharm box. I'm like, thank you, Jesus, for whoever put me on the PR list because this is awesome. All right, so Kat Von D, girl. I just don't know about that color Mother. That's a mother of a color. I just don't know if it'll look good on me. Oh. I wish it was nude, but we will see how it works out, I guess. This is super, I can't wait to try this mascara. 96% said lashes look stretched. 96% saw dramatic volume and length. 96% saw plumper looking lashes. And 100% saw a fuller lash line. Girl, this better be good to me. This is gonna be fun. I'm gonna have to plan a little day. You know what? I might actually plan a day where I use all these products for the first time in a video. Would that be a good idea? Would y'all like that or not? We'll start off with this makeup remover and take everything off like from the day before, you know? All right, let's check out the price value. Oh, so we got 10% off here plus 3 free samples if you want on your next purchase. The code is just for you, Boxy. I guess I could post that information down below for you guys so you can benefit from that. All right. So this is called the Alter Ego box. All right. So the mascara alone was $24. So just getting the mascara alone, the box is like $21. So this is $24. All right. The face peeling mask is $30. So this cost it more than the mascara. That must be a good mask. The eyeshadow highlight blush palette was $38. See, look at this. The Kat Von D lipstick is $20. Look at the color right there. That is what I should have got. The nude. Okay, girl. I better stop before they take me off the PR list. Y'all better not, because I love these boxes. Okay, anyway, so the last product, which was the makeup remover, goes for $22. So, girl, y'all, hello, wow, yet another amazing box. Like, this is some good stuff. So good, so good. So if you've never tried Boxycharm before, I would totally sign up if I was you because they send you out some really neat stuff. Like, seriously, for the price, the stuff that they send you is awesome. Okay? I can't believe this was more than the mascara. It must be amazing. That's all I can say. I can't wait to try this. I'm going to put this information down below just in case you want a coupon to It Cosmetics. As always, we've got some beautiful ladies in the picture here. Anyways, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me unbox this month's Boxycharm box. I would like to know, do y'all think my hair looks different or not? Like, just be honest Does it look different or no? Does it look better? Does it look worse? I think it looks a lot better. Hey girl, hey. It's working for me right now. All right. I can't let this video end until I just put this on because I just can't. It would be rude. I'm scared. I hope it's not one of those staining ones. That's gonna stay on me all day and then I'm just gonna cry later. Okay, I'm not gonna put a lot of this on because I'm not trying to wear this for the day, but I guess it's not that bad. Okay, but I barely put it on, so let's go for it. Really far away from my mirror, so I'm not putting it on really good. But, okay. Overall, it's not that bad actually. In my viewfinder, it kind of looks okay. In my mirror, it looks a little different, okay? So yeah, I wish I would've got the nude, but it's okay. I totally appreciate this box. Thank you, Boxycharm, for sending me this awesome stuff. I can't wait to try all of it, and I will see y'all next time. I'm gonna quit blabbing now. Try to get some of this off before it stains, and yeah. Okay, anyways, I will see y'all later. I think I already said that, but I mean it this time, okay? Subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet because I love my subscribers, okay? And leave me some comments down below and just tell me what you think, girl. Tell me what's going on. Tell me how's your mom and them. Tell me how you doing, okay? All right, bye, y'all.